Okay, this is just a quick video on how to connect 1/16 inch microbore tubing to the Syrris and Dolomite continuous flow microreactors. This is a 1000 microliter one, but we also do 250 microliter one and 62.5 microliter one. We do them in 2 input and 1 output mode, or 3 inputs and 1 output mode. We can turn 3 inputs into 2 input by using this kind of blocker. So all I'm going to do is show you how we connect the tubing. So what I'll do is I'm just going to cut the end so it's nice and clean. Undo the thumb screws. So what we have is we have seals, and it's these seals that really, or O-rings, that really help us do the actual sealing. So what happens is the thumb screws screw into this, pull down tight, and what we'll do is I'll take the tubing, and what I'm going to show you is that there's, for each input, there's a little push button, and when I put the tube in, I push the button in. They hardly move, but it's just enough to grip. So what I'll show you is, I'll put it into this one here. So I'll push it in now. So I'll push that button in, and there we are. Here comes the tube. So I line it up, put the O-ring back over. So now what will happen is, this will line up beautifully with the hole or the input on the chip. So I shall put it on top, do the thumb screws down. Alright, so what I'll show you now is that we rate these systems to 20 bar. So you can see that actually there's no, the tubing is effectively held in now, because if I push this button, it'll release the tubing. But when I pull it, I can't pull, especially because obviously there's a slippiness to this tube, but I cannot pull this tube out. If I push the button, then it'll pop straight out. So that's really sort of the elegance of this, that actually if you want to make a macro fluidic connection to this microfluidic chip, you can literally just push these tubes in, they're gripped, and then when I want to release the tube, which I'll do now, I'll push this button, and then that pulls out. Okay, thanks very much.